going. Oh, I've got lots of people here. Tura, Wouter, Justin, Christina, Jonathan, Eve, Benz, Aakje, Iris. Let's say hello to them. I see lots of you joining in. Christina, Tura, Wouter, Justin, Jonathan, Eve, and here on the other side, Aaron, Jochem, yeah. So this was my recording. Where is... Many more to start. Where are you now? Doortje, Savie, Bart. Doortje, Savie, Bart. Doortje, Savie, Bart. Aaron, Jochem, Hoewing. Christina, Wouter, Justin, Jonathan, Eve, Tura, Paki. Aaron, Alvin are also here. Good morning. I hope this is going to be as much fun for you as it is for me. Festa!